Hello Leap Campers, this is a video to show you how to make your own cardboard Kumihimo disc. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to make a circle that is about 6 inches in diameter. I am doing this by tracing another Kumihimo disc, but you can do it by tracing an object or by using a protractor. If it's half an inch too big, half an inch too small, it's not a big deal. It just needs to be approximately 6 inches. So first thing I do, I trace my circle. This can be done with pencil or marker. I'm doing it with marker so we can see it in the video. All right, I've traced my circle. Now I'm going to cut out this space here. It does not have to be circular. I actually find it easier to make it a square. This is something that I find needs to be done with an X-Acto knife, so get a parent to help you, please. So I'm going to cut here and here. And I'm probably gonna have to cut through again because this cardboard's thick. You wanna choose a nice, good, solid piece of cardboard that is not bent in any way and is sturdy. Cereal boxes are really too thin. You want a good box piece of cardboard. All right, pull this through. There we are. And I have my center done. Now I'm going to use some really good scissors to cut out this circle. You might also use a box cutter. I prefer the scissors to get it done. There we are. Now, at Leap Camp, I teach 7-string Kumihimo and 16-string Kumihimo. I'm going to show you how to make both. For the 7-string Kumihimo, what you're going to do to cut the notches is you're going to cut a notch here. They go in about 1 centimeter, not an inch. Keep it smaller than that. 1 centimeter's good. It could be a little bit more than 1 centimeter, but not a full inch. Right there, I have my other notch. Then I'm going to rotate it and I'm going to go halfway. And I'm going to go halfway over here. So now you see I have 4 notches. 1, 2, 3, 4. I need 8 notches for the 7th string. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go halfway between each of these notches. Can be a little bit deeper than that. And there you go. You can see right here I have a 7 spaces for 8 strings, and so I will be able to do my 7-string Kumihimo disc. So now what if I want to do a 16-string Kumihimo disc? Well, what I'm going to do is I'm going to continue on from here. I have 8 holes. Now I need to make, 32 notches altogether. And the way I do that is simply splitting things in half again. So I have a space between here and here, and I'm going to cut it in half. And then I'm going to cut that in half again. So between these 2 notches, I have 3 notches. In fact, you don't need to do this, but so you can see, I am going to draw in those 7 notches to see so that you can tell what I am doing as I go. There are my 7 notches from before. All right, so there's 3 pieces in between here. Now, I cut in half and I half it again. Half it again, all the way around. All right, for the final step, you need the dots. The dots do not go on the notches, they go between the notches. So they're gonna go here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to put one dot here, and then these are sort of tabs. We have notches here and tabs here. So I put one dot on a tab. Now I'm going to skip 3 tabs. 1, 2, 3 tabs, and I'm going to put another dot. Skip 3 tabs. 1, 2, 3 tabs, and put another dot. 1, 2, 3 tabs, put another dot. 1, 2, 3 tabs, my dot. 1, 2, 3 tabs, my dot. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. There we go. And finally, if I want a reminder of what direction I'm going in when I'm making these Kumihimo discs, I am going to make clockwise arrows. That will help me make sure that I am turning the disc the correct way. There you have it. That is how to make a 7-string and a 16-string Kumihimo disc.